Good morning. It is 8:25 Thursday, July 30th.
Good morning.
I'm sorry I have been utterly horrible with vlogging this trip. We are en route to University of Miami and we're very excited. We've never been there before. Faith's considering that school. Faith?
Yes. I am as well, but I don't count now, I guess.
I was going to you next. And so is Dominique. And so yeah, we're really excited. It's probably gonna take like about an hour to get there. They're making fun of me right now because they're so annoying. But yeah, so this should be fun. Okay, so Kayla currently has a migraine and she's in a bad mood. But I figured I'd vlog for her because I'm the bestest best friend ever. So we just visited the University of Miami, took like a 4-hour tour, and I love it. It's my dream school.
Shirtless now.
This is my favorite school ever. And now there are shirtless guys doing cool things with six-packs. Oh, he's walking on it. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, and then like it's and we just spent a lot of money at the store. Now we are going, Now we are going to South Beach, which I'm very excited for. Do you have anything to add? Did I cover it all for you?
Basically covered everything.
I did a good job.
I mean, it's really hot.
It's very hot.
So I think that's what's making my migraine pretty bad.
So that's what's making Kayla's migraine bad.
And the humidity.
And the humidity. Anything else? Anyone?
And Faith is ugly.
Oh, and I'm ugly.
We got Starbucks
ugly.
too.
I'm ugly.
We got Starbucks.
Oh, yes. Green tea. Very good for the soul.
I forgot to vlog it, so. And Kay ordered for me once again. Yeah, I ordered for Dom again.
Alrighty. Well, ta-ta. Okay, so it's Faith again. And for dinner, I got a lobster roll, coleslaw, and chips. And we got mashed potatoes, same thing, and spinach. And Dominique got steak, and Kayla got fish tacos. Lobster tacos, my bad.
Party better. Morts, party morts.
Where did Yo-Yo go? See it. No, I see where. There's. Aw. Okay, so we came out here before, and on that little windowsill there was a cat sitting there, and the guy said its name was Yo-Yo, and Faith bonded with it, and she said she would touch a spider for it, which is something very deep and strong for her. So we can't find the cat now, and it's sad, especially Faith.
Here, wait, let's keep looking. He's here somewhere. Where did you see him last?
By the pond.
Okay, wait, then let's go look in this garden.
I feel like I just lost my husband.
Caesar, party Caesar.
Yo-Yo. Yo-Yo.
Yo-Yo.
Adentro ya.
Here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Scott, party Scott. Michael, party Franco.
I think that works. It doesn't. Where would Yo-Yo go? Like, where does Yo-Yo go during the day? Yo-Yo doesn't live his life on Yo-Yo's food. Yo-Yo gets fed. Proof of Yo-Yo's. Yo-Yo! Where? Look in the bushes.
Hi, Yo-Yo. Oh.
I don't know if you can see him, but he's there. Faith, let's go down. Okay. Go, go, go. We went over by the food and he was in the bushes.
Seneca party, Seneca.
Hi. Hello. Hello. I think it feels threatened. I think we need to walk away.
Alright.
Why are you like that?
I don't want to scare Yo-Yo by walking down the stairs. Goodbye, Yo-Yo. Mwah. Goodbye, kitty. Come here. Come here. So basically, I just held up my hand to pet Yo-Yo, and Yo-Yo was coming. Then once he realized I didn't have food in my hand, he ran away. So Yo-Yo was a little bit rude, and I don't appreciate the attitude coming from this cat.
Cats don't
Therefore,
really,
I care less.
cats don't really like Dominique generally. They love Faith, so
It's because she has Spot. It's an unfair
it says
advantage.
she has a cat, so
I
she
try
kind
to
of
love
has an
cats, but they don't
advantage.
love me, so I stick to dogs. Dogs love me. So, what do you gotta say?
I miss Yo-Yo.
Yo-Yo's right there.
I know. She's sad she can't take him home. Hello everyone, it is 10 o'clock at night and I'm sorry I didn't vlog today again. I thought I was gonna vlog. My friends were vlogging for me, so thanks to them. But I thought I was gonna do better today, and I just did completely worse. I didn't even think that was possible. But I just had like a throbbing migraine all day. But I just took my makeup off, and we're about to go to the gym. And Dominic and Faith have matching outfits on.
No, we don't.
And
I had to change.
oh, she just changed, so they weren't not matching anymore. But yeah, just ready for the gym. And I just ate a whole bag of goldfish, so hopefully this evens everything out. Back from the gym, it is now 11:26 p.m. and I am sweating and really gross. Faith's in the shower right now, and Dominique's taking the shower, then I go in. So, just waiting, probably gonna watch Glee for a little bit. But, the gym was good. I ran like a mile on the treadmill and then did like a mile on the like elliptical thing. And, did some like a half a mile on the bike. And yeah, how do you feel, Dom?
My legs hurt. I did too much lifting. I don't lift, bruh.
They were like lifting weights and I'm like, nah, not about that
It
life.
really wasn't bad though. I just did a lot of reps.
Mhm.
And I'm gonna feel it tomorrow. I did 50 reps in this one thing on the arms where you pull it down, and then 50 of like this across thing on each arm, and then I did 50 on my legs in like a bunch of different spots, so my shoulders are gonna hurt so bad tomorrow. So you're gonna have to do everything for me, even more than you already did.
Yeah, I'm like not about weightlifting, so at least my legs won't really hurt tomorrow. That's a bonus.
Okay, so this is a really solid like 1 a.m. for Dominique.
My
Like
hair is doing
her
good
hair's on
things.
fleek.
I look
This
tan.
sports bra makes her look super
I'm
tan.
doing good. My makeup's still on. Didn't melt.
Yep.
Well, it's just mascara because I can't do makeup. But I have to go shower, and my mane is gonna deflate, and y'all are gonna see it.
I just showered and I look like a piece of absolute crap. Faith's asleep as usual. And I'm not even gonna show myself because you don't even want to know.